The Big Dipper.
Yes, and the two stars at the edge point to the North Star.
Wow! North Star, North Star. Are you near or are you far? Can we get there in the car?
No, Zephyr, the stars are much too far away.
Are they even further than the seaside?
Oh, yes, but they look a lot closer through a telescope.
Have we got a telescope?
No, but Grandpa Pig has a very good telescope.
Can we go to Grandpa Pig's house now?
It's much too late.
Maybe